This literature kit on Through the Looking Glass by Lewis Carroll provides a variety of question styles to ensure students stay engaged with the novel and better enjoy the story. 55 pages chock full of before-you-read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Compare Alice's movements in the mirror world to that of a pawn in the game of chess. Answer a series of multiple-choice questions to show comprehension of Alice and the Queen's interaction. Become familiar with synonyms by finding words that mean the same as the underlined words found in the text. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as using details gathered throughout the novel to draw a map of the Looking Glass world. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The Easy Marking Answer Key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Compare the real world to the Looking Glass world by describing events and actions that take place in both. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.